My name's David Worsdale. I'm the Global Marketing Manager for Ultra ID. We're here at the ISC West Trade Show in Las Vegas. I'm just going to take some time to introduce you to our Magicard ID Card product range. Essentially, we've got two sets of products, our entry-level printers and our professional series printers. Okay. Our badging series includes our entry-level product, the Magicard Pronto. Magicard Pronto is a very simple to use, hand-fed ID card printer. Uses direct-to-card printing technology, which essentially uses a thermal print head and a 4-color ribbon, which is YMCK. What the printer does, it selectively deposits the color onto the surface of a white blank PVC card, each panel at a time, and then it applies a fifth panel, which is an overcoat layer, which protects the color that's been printed onto the card. Pronto, simple to use, hand-fed, prints one side at a time. Once it's printed the one side, you can flip the card, put it back in, and it'll print the second side of the card. Moving up from the Pronto is the Magicard Enduro Plus. Magicard Enduro Plus is built for scalability. It's a very reliable and scalable product. Where it differs mainly from the Pronto is that it enables you to batch print as well as hand feed with the hand feed slot. So you have a capacity of 70 cards in and 30 cards out. Okay. Uses a very similar technology to the Pronto. However, there are some important differences. So the Enduro Plus can be upgraded from single-side to double-sided printing using a very simple drop-in RFID upgrade. What that does, it enables the flipper mechanism at the front of the printer to work, and what that does is after you've printed one side of the card, it reverses the card and you print onto the second side of the card, the other side of the card. Okay. Also with the Enduro Plus, as with the Pronto, you can connect this via USB to your PC, but with the Enduro Plus you can also upgrade it to Ethernet enabled, so you can network this printer. These printers differ from any other ID card printers in the marketplace. That is because they both feature holocoat. Holocoat is a watermark technology that utilises the clear panel on the ribbon. If I show you here, you can see that after the colour's been deposited, this fifth panel is used to protect the colour on the card, and we can write a watermark using the thermal print head onto the surface of the card. The effect of that is something like this. And if you catch it in the light there, you can see the watermark of ultra secure keys. Okay? Both of these two printers feature 4 standard designs that are selectable from the very easy to use driver and can only be printed using a Magicard printer. Our professional series printers have a number of additional visual security features. Magicard Rio Pro takes the holocoat technology up to a whole new level. With the Magicard Rio Pro, you can actually select your own logo or security design and tie it to your own printer. The way that works is you request from us a custom holocoat activation kit. You send us the logo that you want to have printed as a watermark on every card that's printed from your printer. We send you 2 things. CD, which contains the artwork of your security design or logo, and an RFID card which unlocks the use of that logo on this printer. Very simple to install. With a PC connected to the printer, you install the application on this CD. It writes the artwork to the flash memory of the printer. The printer won't print that as a watermark, however, unless you use the unique RFID card that comes with that image. What you do is you locate that into the slot in the corner of the machine there. There's a cryptographic key exchange between the printer and the card. It recognises that the card is valid for this particular artwork, and it enables the printer to print your logo or security design onto each card. You take the card out, it stops printing the watermark. The Rio Pro is our high security, high quality, high speed printer in our range, a real workhorse. Really, many people see it as the industry standard for direct-to-card printers. You have a 100 card input hopper, a 70 card output hopper as standard, The input hopper can be upgraded to a 200 card unit. The output hopper can be upgraded to a 130 card unit. You have batch printing, you have hand-fed printing, you have rewrites, you have ICC color profiles to enable better color matching between your corporate colors and the colors that come out on the card. It has Ethernet as standard, and of course it has the custom holocoat feature, which is unique to this product. In addition to all those wonderful security features, both of these two printers are backed up by the best warranty in the industry. That's a 3-year Ultra Cover Plus warranty. In most territories in the world, that means that we cover not only all of the print heads and all the parts in the printers, but if in the unlikely event your printer suffers a failure, we will overnight you a replacement printer that you can use whilst we repair your printer, so you are never at any point prevented from printing cards. The final printer in our lineup is the Magicard Prima 4. Okay? This uses a slightly different technology to the direct-to-card printers that I've introduced to you so far. This technology is called reverse transfer. The way it works is you have 2 ribbons in the printer. Okay? A 4-color ribbon and a clear retransfer ribbon. Instead of printing directly onto the surface of the white PVC card, what this printer does, it uses this controlled substrate, the retransfer ribbon, as the substrate for your printing. So you actually deposit the 4 colours onto the clear film. Once the image is complete on the clear film, it then laminates that onto the surface of the card. What you get there is a much more consistent photo quality image which goes right over the edge of the card. It's also very good if you've got any smart cards, for example, with a variable surface. So if you've got indents where the chip might be, or where the aerial might be located on the card, because you're printing onto a consistent substrate, then laminating over on that surface, you don't get any deflection from the print head that you might get on a direct-to-card printer. In terms of security features, they're twofold with the Prima 4. We have a special ribbon which includes a additional print panel which is a UV printing. So that 5th panel, you can deposit any kind of image in UV onto the surface of the card. Associated with the Prima 4 is a lamination unit. Lamination unit serves 2 purposes. One is additional security and one is additional durability. By over-laminating the card with a thick laminate layer, you increase the lifespan of the card. Prevents it from fading in sunlight and makes it much more durable for everyday use. From a security point of view, although it is costly, it is possible to purchase a unique holographic laminate, which you can see on the surface of this card. Costs are higher clearly than the custom holocoat, but it is a nice additional visual security feature. So that's printing. What you also need to bear in mind is that all 4 of these printers can also program cards. So essentially what you can do, as well as writing visual data to the card, you can write electronic data to every card in line during the print process. All of these printers can be fitted with a magnetic stripe encoder and or a smart card encoder that will program contact chip cards or a range of contactless cards.